Hey guys, Brian with Bald Guy Sign. This week's Monday Motivational quote comes from late night talk show host Conan O'Brien. Let's jump in. Okay, so Conan O'Brien is quoted as saying this. He says, "Nobody gets exactly what they thought they were going to get in life, but if you work really hard and you're kind, amazing things will happen." I'm telling you, amazing things will happen. Now, I love this quote because he talks about being kind and working really hard. You do not have control over everything that happens to you, but you do have control of how you react, how you respond, and how you treat other people. Now, the other thing that I think is really interesting about this quote is he had to say it twice. He actually reminds people of that. And I think it's because sometimes we can get caught up in this cynical or pessimistic way of life. His life wasn't perfect. You might look at him as, he's got a platform, he's on television, he's famous, whatever. But the issue is that things are difficult, things can be challenging, but amazing things happen if you are willing to work hard and to treat people right, to be kind. So I hope that encourages you for this Monday motivational quote. We'll check you next time.